Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who do not know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Today we are going to be doing a tutorial with the Too Faced Gingerbread Spice eyeshadow palette. I am super excited to play around with this palette with you guys here on camera. I have done one other look with this palette, but I did not film it, so I thought it would be appropriate to film it. That's why you guys aren't getting a first impressions, because this really is not a true first impressions for me. So if you would like to see how I got this look, then just continue watching. Okay, so the first shade we use in here is Sugar Daddy, and I just kind of use this more as a transition shade. It does not really show up. Then I go in with Looking at My Cookie, and I'm using a blending brush, just kind of a more tapered one for this. Then I go into Gumdrop, which is the pink shade, and I use a pointed brush to kind of lay it down first. This is a pointed blending brush. And then I go in with a more kind of fluffy brush and I blend everything out. The reason I use the pointed brush is because I wanted to place that color directly into the crease, and that type of brush really helps with that. And then I just kind of diffuse it with the other brush. Next, I'm going into Hot Toddy, which this is really one of my favorite shades in this palette. I really do enjoy this. I'm taking this on a flat shader brush from Wet n Wild. I love the Wet n Wild brushes, you guys. I want some more of them. Then I just kind of blend everything together. Then I'm going to go into the shade Frostbite Me. This shade is very hard to work with. I'm using a very kind of thin brush. This is more like a lip brush. And I usually do that when I just want to place things kind of in the inner corner. And even wetting this shade, it just really did not work. It was a struggle. Then I go in with my Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner, and I'm just doing a line across my upper lid, an upper lash line. Then I go into the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. You guys, I'm almost out of this mascara. What am I going to do? Then I'm going into the shade Spice Is Nice, and I'm just going to run this underneath my lower lash line. Then I go into my Colourpop Ultra Matte Liquid Lip in Monday, because I just didn't think a cool tone lip would look good with this look. And there is the final look. You guys will have to let me know. I'm just going to say it. I'm proud of my eyebrows in this one. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. It does mean a lot to me. So today we use the shades Sugar Daddy. We use Sugar Daddy, Figgy Pudding, Sugar Daddy, Look at My Cookie, and Gumdrop, as well as Frostbite Me and Hot Toddy. So out of those shades, I'm not really impressed with the Frostbite shade, which I did on my inner corner, nor am I super impressed with Sugar Daddy. In all honesty, it just worked as a transition shade, nothing more. You can't really see it, especially on my skin tone. I don't know how that would translate onto deeper skin tones. Look at My Cookie is kind of a nice kind of like soft pinky peachy color, so it kind of worked with the pink. I do really like the shade Gumdrop, and I think Hot Toddy so far is my favorite kind of shimmer shade in this palette. I am not very impressed with Frostbite Me, so yeah, that's my thought kind of on the shades that I used in this palette. I do have a few more shades that I do need to kind of play around with and use. So we will see what I do with those. I will be doing more looks. If you guys would like to see a 3 looks 1 palette with this video, just let me know down below and I will go ahead and do that for you guys. Thank you again for watching. Please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thanks again, and bye!